there's a trail.
I don't know if that's it, because the signs back there had 2 more stream crossings. Or maybe that's the big one.
Huh.
We'll find out.
Great. Well, maybe the other ones have rocks you can go across on. We sat there at that beach for a little bit, let our feet dry, pop the shoes back on. It's only 9 o'clock right now, so we're making good time. Oh, they have restrooms here. Nope. Let's keep going. Those trees are wild. Just crazy. Wow. The trail has gotten a little skinnier and the mosquitoes are out on this side, so we just sprayed up. But this kind of reminds me of Maui more when we hiked to a few waterfalls over there. Still pretty muddy. So pretty though. Yep. Can't really see that river down there. But we will be following it up to the waterfall somewhere up there. I don't know if you can see it through the trees, but there's the first kind of waterfall.
Ooh.
That water's gonna be cold, but we are gonna swim there if it's possible. Yeah, we can swim there, can't we? Yeah, we're getting in it. I don't care how cold it is. Bamboo that people have written all over. Watch yourself. You good? There's really not a quick way to traverse this. Just with all these mud pockets. You just gotta take them slow, or you're just gonna fall the whole time. And I'm thinking the sun is starting to peek through. I have to put on some sunscreen. Mainly my neck and legs. I got my sun shirt on because I get red in like 2 seconds. It is sturdy. Rock wall back here. Look how dense that is. Can't see through it at all.
These people would have slept in here. The bamboo for the night.
We're just snaking along here. Milky. For how muddy this trail has been, the shoes don't look that bad. A little one. Hopefully we can get across. Film it, but we crossed another stream. And I was kind of nervous with the camera in my pocket because it had some small sketchy rocks to cross. Like this one. This one right here. So great. Alright, we made it. We didn't soak a foot. and I didn't lose my camera, so successful, even though we got to make it back through. I think it was just harder because we had a group of people just all bottleneck there. So everyone's trying to get across and they're trying to rush you. Marissa just checked the map and it's showing we're almost there. So hopefully not much further.
And I took a picture of the map down there and we crossed 3 streams. So it looks like it's just up here.
Yeah, that's true. Wow, it is super dense through here. Crossed another one. There are streams all over the place. Just trying to get my shoe wet. Yep. Some trees with these flower buds. I'll put the name of them on the screen. Just keep traversing through. I mean, this is basically like a riverbed, so we just keep going back and forth around this river. The amount of people we've seen go up in front of us, none has come down. Well, I think one group came down, but they were, I think, super early. But everyone's swimming at the falls right now, so no one's coming down. I just love these dense areas. You don't see stuff like this in Colorado. really cool.
Everything pop.
Look at that. Just beautiful. Editing this video won't be too hard. I'm trying to edit all my breathing out of it. This is super easy being at such low elevation. Well, it was pretty easy. Now we gotta get up this nasty mud bank. But that part wasn't that bad. I just don't want to film it with this camera because that's when I fall. First look of it. Okay. Let's get over there. I'd say we got a little bit further to go. It's always like the least slick. Yeah. Another fun river crossing, trying to save our shoes. And I don't think it's going to be worth it. My Solomons are slipping all over the place in dry spots. So there's not good grip. And people are trying to cross over there. Alright, that crossing was a little too difficult, and I was worried about losing the camera. So the shoes are soaked. That's okay. I can just walk right in when I get up there to the falls. Just hope they dry in a few days on our balcony so we can do a few more hikes. Or I'm just gonna buy some new shoes. The camera's worth more than my old hikers. So I'm okay with it. The trail definitely just said there was one major crossing, and there's like a million. So I'm glad I just gave up on the shoes. We're close. Very close. Wow. This is worth it. Soaking the feet. There's a cat with one eye. How tall is this? It's got to be over 100 feet. Probably like 200 or 300 feet. Cold, but I'm gonna get the belly out. I left the shoes on because they're just soaked. We did it. That water was freezing, but worth it. It was definitely way better to just get into the water with the shoes on because it was so rocky. Uh-oh. We are really tucked down in here. Alright guys, we did it.
We're going.
That was totally worth getting in. But I'm not gonna film most of it going down until we get past the last river. So I'm just iffy about this camera. Perfect spot to smoke. Okay, I'll film a little bit on my iPhone. Look at the little fishies. They're huge. We're back in the bamboo. I think it's a wild pineapple. You gonna rip it off? What are you doing? Trying to steal it? I did not notice that we kind of go through this rock wall. Wow. And here's the bathrooms. I'm just on the other side of the bathrooms waiting for Marissa and hopped over here. Just noticed, just look at all the trash in here. It's too bad But we're down to the last river crossing, so I can actually get my camera out. I've been using the iPhone. You can kind of see the trail over there.
I know, is that the trail?
Yeah, it looks super steep.
Very steep.
I think I said this earlier, but it is just an absolute perfect day. This week was saying all rain. It is just completely clear. If I don't fall. Look how turquoise that water is down there. There's the helicopter. You see the helicopter? We're so close to the end, and the beach is open now, and we saw a bunch of people swimming down there, so I think we're gonna take the opportunity to actually get into the ocean now. I gotta get these shoes off, my feet are soaked. We did it. We did it. Look at those cute dogs. I'm just gonna go right here. Made it back through the crazy shuttle ride. The freaking shuttle driver ran or sideswiped a wall. She was driving like a maniac, but we made it down. What I was gonna say, make sure you do this hike if you're gonna do it on a Tuesday, because they have a cute little farmer's market next to the parking lot. Yeah, make sure to hike it on a Tuesday so you can go to this cute place. Well, they didn't have any coffee, but they had fresh banana and pineapple ice cream. Or was that like a Frosty?
Frosty.
It's basically an ice cream. I don't know, it was freaking delicious. But now I definitely need some caffeine. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.